Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a website in 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to make any website using simple drag and drop. So to start this process, what you want to do is go to this link that you see here on your screen. I'm going to pin it in the comments and put it in the description, but you just go to that link first and then we'll get started. Once you go to the link, it will take you to this page. Now we can get started making our website in 4 simple steps. Step 1 is to get hosting and domain. Hosting and domain are 2 things we need to launch our website. Hosting is the place where your website's files will be stored. Domain is the name of your website. So now you're at the screen, you can go ahead and click on Get Started. Once you click on that, you can now scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see Hatchling Plan. This is the one that you will want. Go ahead and click on Buy Now. Once you do that, you'll see this screen. From here, you will pick your domain, which is the name of your website. So you can type in your website here. Make sure it's set to .com. Once you do that, it will tell you if the domain is available. And if you choose the 1 year, the domain will be free. So scroll down. Make sure to uncheck Add Domain Privacy. Next, you want to choose a hosting plan. Click the drop-down menu, select Hatchling, and then billing cycle. Make sure to do 12 months or more to get the free domain. Once you do that, go ahead and enter your credentials here, your email address, and then password and a PIN number to create your account. Once you do that, just enter your information here for billing, then scroll down. Once you scroll down to add additional services, make sure all of these are unchecked as you do not need these since you can get them for free within WordPress. Scroll down, make sure under enter a coupon code to enter this code that you see here. That will then give you a discount. Under Review Order Details, you will then see everything laid out for you. You will see the discount applied. You will also see that you have a free year of your domain as well in 12 months. You can now go ahead and click on Agree and then click Checkout Now. Once you click Checkout Now and sign into HostGator with your username and password that you created, you'll now see that you own the website. You have it for now 12 months with the domain and hosting. And now we can go on to the next step in the process. Step 2 is to install WordPress so you can control and design your website. So to install WordPress, make sure that you are signed in to HostGator.com with your login credentials. Once you're signed in, scroll down under Control Panel and find Install WordPress. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on Install WordPress, it will then load this page. You want to scroll down until you see Install Now. Go ahead and click on Install Now. Once you click on that, it will ask you to name a few things and to create an admin account to log into your WordPress account. You can go ahead and name your site name whatever you want. And you can enter a site description as well. Once you do that, just go over to Admin Account. Here, you can create your username and password. And then you can enter your admin email, which should be your personal email address. Once you do that, scroll down until you see Install. Go ahead and click on Install. Once you do that, it will start to install WordPress for you. So just go ahead and wait until it's at 100%. So once WordPress is done installing, you will see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. However, you may have to wait anywhere between 10 minutes to 1 hour to access your logins. So go ahead and give yourself some time, take a break, and then come back in an hour or so. Okay, so once you're back, you can click that link next to administrative URL. Once you click on that, you'll be able to log in and access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you will be able to edit, create, and design your website. To access your WordPress dashboard, you can always go to your website name /wp-admin. So to see what your live website looks like, go up to the URL area and remove wp-admin and click enter. You'll now see that this is what your live website looks like. So now we can go ahead and edit the website to design it how we like. In order to easily edit our website, we're going to step 3 to install a new theme. The new theme is called Astra. So what we're going to do now is go up to this area and click on themes. Once you do that, click on add new. Once you do that, go over to search themes and type in Astra. Click enter. You'll then see the Astra theme. Now click on install. That will then install. Now go ahead and click on activate. Now you will have the Astra theme installed on your website. Next, we're going to install a plugin that comes with the Astra theme. This plugin will allow us to customize the theme of Astra and design our website how we want it to look. So in order to do this, let's go over to plugins, click on add new. Now go over to search plugins, click into there, then type in Astra, click enter. You'll then see this starter templates. Go ahead and click on install now. Once that's done installing, just click on activate. That will then activate the plugin. Now that you've activated the plugin, you'll see it here on your screen. It'll be titled Starter Templates. So in order to design your website how you want it to look, you can now click on See Library to see all of the different designs. So once this page loads, you just want to scroll down until you see Build Your Website Now. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, go ahead and select Elementor. This will allow us to use drag and drop to design our website. Once you select Elementor, you can select any of these pre-made designs to get you started. You can also go up to the top and select the category that your business or personal page is in. Once you find a design that you like, you can go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the design, it will then show you on the right-hand side, so you can scroll down and see what the pre-made design looks like. If you like the setup of the site, you can use this as a starting point. And the first thing you can do is upload a logo. So this logo in the top left-hand corner will be updated with your logo. So if you click on Upload File here, click Select Files, select your logo, go ahead, hit Select, and you'll now see that your logo is in the top left-hand corner. You can also change the size of it if you want. Then when you're done, click Continue. Next, you can change the default colors. If you don't like the color scheme, you can select a new one. You can see what the new color scheme looks like. And if you scroll down, you can also change your fonts. So this will change the default font for the website as well. So once you find a font that you like with the color, you can now click Continue. Once you click Continue, you just need to enter this information here. Once you select all of that, make sure you have all these imports checked off. That will allow you to import everything needed to build the site. Click Submit and Build My Website. This will then install all necessary plugins and forms needed for the theme. So now that you've completed that, you can now click on View Your Website. You'll now see that your website has this exact design that you selected with the color scheme, with your logo, and the fonts that you wanted. So this is what the site will look like. Now we want to go into the final step to edit the content. So now if you want to edit any page of your website, it's simple. All you do is select the page that you want to edit. For example, we'll go ahead and edit the home page. Once you go to the home page of your website, at the top, you can click on Edit with Elementor. So once you're in Elementor, you can edit the page very easily. So for example, if you scroll down and want to change this, you can click into it and highlight it and then type whatever you want. You can do that for any area as well. You can change any buttons as well, change all the text. If you want to change an image, you can click on the image and you can click on choose image and then upload your own. And then if you keep scrolling down, you can change any buttons as well by clicking the edit button. And then you can change all the images to anything you would like. To save these changes, what you always want to do is click on update. That will update the website, so your changes will be published, and you'll now see the changes that we just made. So that is how you edit any page very simply with Elementor. So you might be wondering, how do I edit the header and footer of my website as well? All you want to do is just go to Customize and click on that. So once you hit Customize, you can hover over anything in the header or the footer, and you will see a edit button. For example, to edit the logo, just click on the edit button, and here you can go ahead and change the logo. You can do the same for the headers as well and update the headers. You can do the same for the button as well and change that to whatever you like. To publish it, you just go ahead and hit publish. And now on your home page, you'll see that your header is now updated. Okay, so we saw how to edit the header and the footer, but what if you want to add a new page? It's simple. All you do is go to New and click on Page. Once you're there, go up and click on Edit with Elementor. From here, you have two options. You can use the drag and drop widgets on the left-hand side of the screen. So if you want to add a heading, you can drag in a heading. From here, you can edit your text. You can add in more widgets by going up to the button in the top right-hand corner and clicking on it, and then dragging in more widgets. Or if you want to have a more streamlined process, you can import a pre-made template. In order to do so, you can click on this icon here. Once you click on that, you can scroll down until you find a template that you like. You can click on it, find the page that you want to import. If you like how the page looks, you can go ahead and click on Import Template. Now you will have that template imported and you can edit it just like we did before with Elementor. Once you are done editing, you can click on Publish. That will then publish your page. Now you can click on Have a Look. And now you can see your live page. You can do this for as many pages as you want and add it to your header like we learned before. So now you can launch your own website because you know how to get domain and hosting, install WordPress, install a theme, and edit the content. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Make sure to share this video with anyone that you think would find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.